Hey guys, Praveen Jugi here, and today I want to talk about my website praveenjugi.com, and I want to talk about how I add new designs over here and how I publish new blog post and how I host it, everything. So this is my website, so it's pretty minimal and it has my designs. So if you go to the designs page, it has all my designs over the years, so it just goes on and on, and everything that I ever designed, I just upload it to my website on like a daily basis if I can. And I have a blog post, so I've written lots of stuff, so everything comes in this blog page. And in the home page I have this designs here, some blog post and all the projects that I'm working on. So this is the designs, and the blog is updated with markdown. So the blog is fully markdown supported, design is images and markdown, but the projects are just normal HTML that I go in and update from time to time if I have any. But yeah, so let's check the code for this. So this is a pretty simple Astro website. Astro, if you don't know, is static site generator. So the whole site is a fully static site. It doesn't have any external integrations, any third-party services, anything. So I just push my code, my blog, my designs to GitHub, and it compiles and it deploys to praveenjugi.com website. So Astro helps in creating all the static HTML pages. So if you see the source, it has all these pages, so blog page, design page, other pages that I have, 404, index page, everything. So it has all these pages that I have designed. So if I open a blog page, it's pretty simple. It just shows all the how a typical blog page will look, and I added some styles there. And if I open the content, it has blog post. So all the blog posts I've written is in markdown format, so .md format. So it's easy to update, easy to push and store in GitHub, everything. So that is in markdown format, and design is just images. So Astro is smart enough to take these images and treat it as markdown and create separate pages for everything. So it's easier for me to just upload image in this folder, and it just Astro creates a new page for this. So it's easier for me, it's good for SEO and everything. So yeah, that's actual content and some images, supporting images, markdown images, everything will be in the images folder. So that's pretty much it, because it's simple. Astro is very helpful and it has like several good integrations. So like fonts, I can just add it here. Tailwind, simply I can add it here, and I also have some dependencies like sitemap dependencies or RSS dependencies. So I can just add it here and it will auto generate everything for me. So Astro is very good, especially for static site generation like landing pages, product pages, things like that. So I use Astro for most of my marketing sites because it's very good. And yeah, so if you're actually trying to create a new landing page portfolio for yourself, I highly recommend doing it in Astro. And the best place to deploy this, so once you've created all your website, so maybe with Codex or Cursor like this, so after you created it, you can just simply deploy it to Cloudflare. So just sign up for an account in Cloudflare, and once you've signed up, you can tell Codex or Cursor to deploy it to Cloudflare, and it's fully free. I think yes, it's because it's we have a static website. It's fully free in Cloudflare. It won't take anything because it's a static website, so it won't cost anything, and you can have how many visitors you want, and it will be fully free because it's a static site. So there is no visitor limit or anything like that, and you can have your custom domains linked to this. So I have praveenjugi.com linked to this, and whenever people go to praveenjugi.com, it goes through Cloudflare and it has all my deployments. So whatever change I make in GitHub, it will come through here, and it's easier to deploy it like that. So yeah, try it out. Using Cursor or Codex, it's pretty easy to create a new website these days. So try it out, use astro.build and try creating a new website for yourself. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.